Namaste. So today is a Thanksgiving day and also it's a World Philosophy Day. So I thought why not make a video. In morning I found one very interesting process which I'm going to share today. But before I start, I want to share my sincere gratitude and a pranam to first of all the place where I am right now, Shivananda Centre for Excellence, Kakkar manjra in Haryana, which is near to Chandigarh, Panchkula, and Nithya Shanti, Arul, mirambika, and many more of my friends, trainer, coaches, spiritual masters, and gurus from whose writing and whose speeches has inspired me and made me who I am right now, and all the thoughts, as well as all the people who have come into my life, all the book, and all those difficult moments, all those things where I felt painful, uh, part of a regrets, which has also helped me to learn and do something. So, and even those who have kind of not really accepted the truth or shown me something of a truth, and to all those whom I would like to be thankful, and at the same time I forgive those being, and I ask for forgiveness to all those beings. And with this thankfulness, let us begin. So just follow, keep your eyes open until I tell you to close, and just feel free, keep your hands free, eyes open, minds open. Okay, so we begin with folded hands near to our chest. And first we emit out and say thank you in our mind. Exhale it out completely like you are giving. Inhale. We'll do two more times followed by three ohms. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. So in the morning when we wake up and before touching our feet on the ground, we send our forgiveness and thank you, our gratitude to the Mother Earth with this shloka. So we'll do that shloka and then we'll touch the ground, the feet again. Samudravasane Devi Parvatasthanamandale Vishnupatni Namastubhyam Padasparshasamasvame. So we are thankful and are grateful the Divine Mother, the Mother Earth, through which we get the food, the Annam. She is our Annapurna. And the next thing which we do is we look at our hands, both the hands together, and we do the Kar Darshanam while being on the bed. So I would be reading and we feel that part of it. That is again a thank you to our hands through which we are going to do the work, and all the gods and goddesses who resides in our hands, in our palms. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karamadhye Saraswati, Karamule tu Govindam, Prabhate Karadarshanam. And with this Karadarshanam, we now put our hands and touch back of our palms and a finger, shoulder relaxed, and we do this rotational movements while keeping palm as much touched. At any point, we are not losing the contact. And while doing this 3 to 4 times or a 5 times as if is, we feel that whatever is inside the best of us, we pour out and we give to the world. Let us take out the best from the within and out to the world. Arpana, Samarpana. These are the two words coming. Arpana and Samarpan, surrendering to it. And then we do the reverse. We come back here again. And whatever best in the world, that only that come to us. And we take that only. We take that only. We take that only. As we're done, we lock the fingers like this, but on the back side, like the past which is holding us, and we want to go ahead. There is this constant fight going on, so stretch it backward. And in this fight, who wins? You leading ahead, or he bows you down and you surrender there? So all the past habits and your patterns holding you back, and you want to go in front. And then you release and say, no, I am free. And then something within you wants to hold back, and something from you only, the divine, which we just spoke in our mantra, wants to take you ahead, but you want to hold back. And you stretch, and you stretch. And there also you release yourself after a point. And you turn your palm inward and put it on your heart. Gently close your eyes. Feeling your heartbeat, you feel that divine, the Lakshmi, Saraswati, the Mother, and the Krishna with every heartbeat. Krishna and a Kali in every heartbeat. The Kal, the time, they are inside, waiting to come out. Waiting to come out. Select any quality through which the divine is going to express with full of gratitude in walking, in talking, in speaking and eating, in making and doing. Whatever your daily task, the divine is being expressed through variety of sensations and emotions and the thoughts and feelings. All your movements, let that be truth. Let that be beautiful. Once you decide, be thankful and grateful. And then you make a small bud of lotus to your hand. Now we will open one finger like a petal of a lotus. and say a thank you to either a person or a place or an object or a circumstances. With each finger unfolding, we say thank you, and in mind, we look at them, we visualize them with our heart, we feel them totally. Let us begin together with the small little finger of a right hand, opening it and saying thank you. Visualize that person or a place. Opening the left hand side little finger and say thank you. Maybe an object or a place or a circumstances. And we continue. We'll alternate between right and left. Thank you. 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 Let us offer all our gratitude at the feet of the Divine, at the feet of the Master. Bring back both of your hands in Namaste. Rub your palm rigorously, little bit more. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes inward. Move it over your face, and with a gentle smile, look into the world and say thank you.